back to the channel. Listen, I got another how-to video. What I'm going to be doing here now, as you can see, I got my Honda lawnmower in front of me here. You guys, if you own this type of lawnmower, eventually these cables going to fail. So this is a quick how-to, do it yourself. I'm replacing my cable clutch system, and right here you can see where it failed. All right, and the cable clutch goes to this bar right here. All right, so it's ended up failing, so I'm just gonna have to replace it. I'll put down my model and the part number for this. All right, to help you guys out, because this stuff can get really expensive if you take it to a lawnmower servicing. All right, it does hit you with service charge plus the parts. So this is a quick how-to. I hope it'll help you guys out there save some money and do it yourself. All right. Again, Boys in the Toys, Studio Rays. Thank you for joining me. Let's get into the video. All right, guys. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this bottom plate. All right. The bottom plate, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws you're gonna have to remove. So the idea is try to get this plate off so it allows you to see the belt, and also you need to get in here in this area here. I don't know if you can see it, to get the clutch cable off. So that's my idea in trying to approach this. All right, so let's see how this goes. And what I have to do, we're gonna have to remove this one wheel. At least I'm gonna have to, because I don't have an extension bar, so I can use my torque, Milwaukee torque drill to take this off. So I'm just taking this wheel off. If you have an extension, then you won't need to take this wheel off. In my case, I do have to take it off, so no biggie. So you can take this off, that, and see I can get this plate off. All right, so let me get into that. Alright guys, once you get that plate off, as you can see, it gives you total access to the bottom. Alright, and what we're going to do right here is where that clutch cable comes in, from here to here, and attaches to a little mechanism right back here. So what we're going to do is just take this off, snake it through, and replace it. If you need to change your belt, this is how you do it. Alright. Have some new blades. I'm about to take this off and replace that also. And I'm probably gonna have to come back and redo the belt. I should have ordered the belt when I did it, ordered the parts, but I didn't. But I'll do that another day. But that's pretty much how you get in the bottom of that to get everything off. My word of advice is to try to get all the old grass cleaned out. All right, so if you order your parts, clean it before all your parts come in. When you take this plate off, it's right here. See if you can see right there. It's gonna have a lot of buildup of grass, so clean that all out before you seal it up. But before you even get the parts, make sure you clean everything out. It just makes it easier getting the job done. So let me get this taken apart here. Belt, take that off and snake everything in. All right, so let me continue on. All right guys, now this is the new cable here that's going on in there. Now, as you can see how that connector is, you have like I don't know what you call this, expansion connector or something like that. Well, that's gonna be going here. All right, but this one won't come out. You can't pull it out because of these expansion clips here. So what I'm gonna have to do, being that this is already broken, I'm gonna have to go on this side with a screwdriver right there. See that expansion? I'm gonna have to break those two off so I can slip this out. Already disconnected from the clutch area. So if I could show you guys, it's kind of tight fitting. Better yet, maybe I could go this way with it. Right here, I hope I'm getting it, is where the clutch, that little cable goes on this little part here. So I already disconnected it. So now I'm just gonna get a screwdriver, break this off because it's no good anyway, so I can get this removed. So that's what you're gonna have to do right now. So I hope that makes sense to you. Let me continue on with this, all right? All right, guys, as you can see right here, I got the cable out, and this is a condition. You're gonna have to peel this back. Oh, excuse me. You're gonna have to peel this back right here. So it goes this way to pull it out. All right. So let's see if I can show you a better angle now. Right there is where you're gonna be putting this new cable right here. You're gonna slip right through here, and these two tabs are gonna bite around there. Okay. So. All right, guys, and again, you'll see it in there. It's kind of hard for me to show you through the camera view on where you're locking it down, but you'll see it when you take it apart. It's like a little level for the clutch. Actually, I got my hand on it right now, right here. All right, I'm pulling it back. That little piece right there is where that little wire is gonna slip around to lock in. Okay, guys, just to give you a little trick to put this cable on. You can't go like the little hook is right here. You can't go on top like that. All right, the hook back it on to put it back on. You're gonna have to go this direction. So the hook is right here, and you're gonna slip it that away into the slide in, and then fold it back, and then lock in. All right, I was attempting to go install it this way and onto the mechanism, and it won't work. So you have to go this direction. All right, vertical this way. Slip it into that little hook, and then we'll do it. Then it'll slide right into and sit into it. I hope that makes sense to you. I'm sorry I can't really show it to you because there's really no angle. I'll try to get a close-up picture of it to show you what I'm talking about. But that's the best way I can explain how to get this cable in. And you're gonna have to fish it through here first. Come through here and go through here and through there. All right, don't try to take the cable and install it this way and thinking the other end is gonna go through here, because it's not, it's too big. So fish it from the opposite side and to bring it in. All right, I hope that makes sense to you guys. All right, so I'm gonna continue on. I'm almost done. It's hooked up. Now I'm just gonna snake it up here, hook it back up to the clutch, and I'm ready to go. All right, so let me get this button up and continue on. All right, guys, just want to show you quickly. All right, once you come out of here, you can fish it down here first. Then you're gonna bring the remaining clutch, bring it up, and it's very simple, guys. Just when you unloosen this, there's like a little track that you have to put the cable in. Lock that in. It's compression fit, and take the other hook, put it on here, and you're good to go. And there'll be a clutch. That's simple, very easy to install. Works like a charm. Save you some money in getting this done. All right, and I'm running a Honda, and my model's right there. So, all right, and that's it, guys. I said that's pretty much it. That's the how-to. I hope it helps you guys out there to get yours done. And periodically, you're gonna have to change these cables because they do fail. And that's it. So, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe. Check out the next one. Later.